Mataji, mute all, and when yesterday we did that, like muting all.
Vinita Mataji, you can take over Mataji for controls.
Mataji is saying, how do
What's on your arm? Oh, your phone?
Mataji.
Mataji, isn't Pavan Sarovar one of the main sarovars of Raj Dam?
Yeah, Pavan Sarovar is, I said, remember, even the king of Prayag is coming to Pavan Sarovar. And also,
Mataji, Pavan means wind. That's a wind like Sarovar.
oh, Pavan. Purification. You have been there when you went? I think all are.
I muted.
Mataji, can I start? I think we have 1 minute. Or can I start?
Yeah, start Mataji. Already recorded and live is also started. I'll share the links in the group.
Okay. So as I was telling you yesterday, today we'll do some interactive session. We'll have some questions. Last 10 minutes. Okay. We'll finish. We'll try to finish Kamyavan today, and so that next week we can see the other places like Barsana, Raval, Govardhan. Okay, because we have only 1 more week. So yesterday we finished the pastimes of Bimal Khund. Remember? Yeah, we finished that. So, and as I told you, there are the temples of Radha Gopinath, Radha Govindadev, Radha Madan Mohan. These 3 temples, because they have stopped there while going to Jaipur, and they spent 3 days. They built a temples. And actually, if you see at Gopinath temple in Kamyavan, it looks like a house. There's one small pastime that one day while Gopinath was staying in Kamyavan, he went to steal butter in a householder's house. So then this lady, this Mataji, she caught Gopinath stealing butter, and she'll say, hey, now that I have caught you, you have to stay back here. So Gopinath agreed to stay back. That's why Gopinath's temple is looking like a house. It's not like a temple. You know, temple and house ambience is little bit different. So that is about that temple. And now this is Chaurasi Kamba. Chaurasi means 84. So this has 84 pillars. So I was telling about one more place where there are 84 pillars. Do anybody remember? Which house? No, not Nandana. So which, okay, somebody raised their hand. Let's unmute. Vishaka.
Nanda Maharaja's palace.
Where is that? Nanda Maharaja's palace. They stayed in Gokul. He stayed in Mahavan. Nandagaon. Where?
I think it was in Gokul.
Yeah, the house in Gokul had 84 pillars. So even here, there is 84 pillars. It is said that Vishwakarma, the architect of the heavenly planets, he built this for Pandavas. Actually, Kamyavan has lot of pastimes. Even Pandavas stayed here after their exile, before they were going to that 1 year of Agnatavas, where you know that Pandavas had like certain period, they had to just stay in the forest, but their last 1 year they had to they should, you know, nobody should recognize that they were Pandavas. The last 1 year were very crucial. If somebody figures out that they are Pandavas, then they have to repeat the whole exile. So before the last 1 year, they had halted in Kamyavan. So it is said that this whole Chaurasi Kamba was built in one night by Vishwakarma, and Pandavas stayed here. But when Krishna came, Krishna pastimes happened, it is said that even Nanda Maharaj stayed here, used to come here, and when he stayed here, he used to have meetings, he used to have Krishna on. There is a nice big throne, like king's throne in this Chaurasi Kamba. So it is said that Nanda Maharaj used to sit one side Krishna and one side he had Balaram, and he used to have all different meetings here at Chaurasi, Kamba. So that's about that. And next is Kameshwar Mahadev temple. Remember, I was telling you yesterday why we have Kameshwar Mahadev, and of all we have 5 Mahadevs of all Vrindavan, and Kameshwar Mahadev is one among them. And it is said that even Vrishabhanu Maharaj, who is Vrishabhanu Maharaj? Let's see if somebody is facing him. Ramachandra. Let's give Ramachandra.
Vrishabhanu Maharaj is the father of Radharani.
Yes. So it seems Vrishabhanu Maharaj used to come to Kameshwar Mahadev because Kama means desires. He fulfills all the desires. He used to come here and pray for children. And after he prayed for to Kameshwar Mahadev, he has been blessed with Radharani, then her sister Ananga Manjari. So Kameshwar Mahadev fulfills all the desires. And then if you go a little forward, you will see Pancha Pandav temple. It is not very well known, and also not much deities are available now. It said that I have not been to this place, but I have heard in many lectures of Vrindavan Leela that these are lost. Like the deities before Pandavas and Draupadi, all the deities used to be there, but they are all lost now. We have only few. And if you go a little bit forward, we'll find something called as Dharma Kund. So here comes a very interesting pastime. So when Pandavas came to Kamyavan, they stayed in the sage's house. While they were staying in the sage's house, one day a deer came. And deer has what? What do you call them? Antlers? Not horns.
No, antlers.
Yeah, antlers, yes. So those antlers will get stuck in a wood in the sage's house. They use wood to, previously there was no matchstick and lighters, right? They rub and then the fire comes. They say some mantra, they recite mantras and the fire comes. So the deer's antlers went and stuck in that wood. Then it was in deep pain. So Pandavas wanted to help this deer. But what happened? Suddenly the deer started running. And they were so confused. We were trying to help this deer, and why this deer is running. So the Pandavas chased the deer, and suddenly the deer disappeared. And when the deer disappeared, they were very thirsty because they ran, right? So they got so thirsty. And Yudhishthir said to Sahadev that, can you go see? I think there is some water over there. Then Sahadev goes and tells, yeah, I see a kund there, so there is some water. So I'll go and fetch some water and come. And Sahadev, some of you might be knowing this pastime. And Sahadev was not coming back. Then Nakul went, he was not coming back. Arjun went, Bhim went, nobody was coming. Then what happened? Yudhishthir Maharaj himself went. Then when he went, he saw all his brothers were lying dead. He got so confused. He wanted to know what has happened. Then suddenly he hears an invisible voice talking to him, saying that if you can answer to my questions, then I will let you drink the water. Then he asks many questions. Like one of the question is, who is a true Brahmin? Is a Brahmin by birth, by education, by knowledge, by behavior? So that's one of the question. Another question is, what is the most amazing thing in this world? Then Yudhishthir Maharaj says that the most amazing thing is, we see everybody dying, our relatives, our neighbors, everybody are dying, but we act in such a way that we never die. That's the most amazing thing to me. Yudhishthir Maharaj says that. And Yaksha, then the invisible voice, he starts to show his form, and it's soon Yudhishthir Maharaj discovers that he's an Yaksha. Actually, then Yaksha says that I'm so pleased with you. I asked all of your brothers to answer my question and then drink water, but none of them paid attention. They were just taking the water and they were dead. So he said, now out of your 4 brothers, I can bring 1 brother back to life. Then Yudhishthir Maharaj thinks, so can anyone of you tell whom would he have asked to bring back to life? Wait, let me see.
Nakula. Nakula.
Yes. Who said the answer? So yes.
Abhay.
Abhay. Yes, Nakul. Then what was the reason he asked? Do you know the reason?
Because
Who knows the Jagannath.
Mataji,
Huh?
because their father had 2 wives, and he wanted to be fair to the other wife of his father.
Yeah, correct. He will say yes. What you said is correct. From my mother, I am alive, so I want somebody else from my other, like from the other mother also to be alive. So Aksha becomes very, very impressed, and he will bring back all the 4 brothers to life. So that happened in this Kund. So that's the pastime. Sorry. Okay. So Bhimal Kund pastimes. Yesterday, I said you about Bhimal Kund. Remember? So near Bhimal Kund, we missed couple of pastimes. Maybe some of you might be knowing. So quickly we will review them. So do you? I know you all know that Pandavas received Akshay Patra, right? From which? From whom? From whom did they get? They get Akshay Patra. No. Can you raise your hands? So, okay, Jagannath, wait, let me pick. Kushi Agarwal. Mataji, I'm trying to unmute her.
Yes.
Yes. So from whom did they get the Akshay Patra? You were raising hand. Okay, we'll go to Keshav.
They got the Akshay Patra from Krishna.
Not from Krishna.
From the sun god?
Yes, from the sun
Who
god.
is it?
Yes, from sun god. So what happens? Duryodhan now, he knows that Durvasa Muni gets angry very fast. So purposefully, one day what happened? Duryodhan visits Hastinapur with 60,000 disciples. So Durvasa Muni visits Hastinapur with 60,000 disciples. Then Duryodhan knows that Durvasa Muni gets pleased very easily. So I will please him. Then he will give me a benediction. Then I know what to do. So what happens? Durvasa Muni is pleased and he'll ask, what is the benediction that you want, Duryodhan? Then Duryodhan will say, I don't want any benediction, but I want you to go and go and meet my brothers in the forest, and I want you to let them serve you. But Duryodhan is very crooked. In his mind, he has he wanted Durvasa Muni to get angry and curse the Pandavas, because he knows that Pandavas have no, like they have no wealth. They have no riches, and he knows that the Akshay Patra, what they have, will give no. Actually, Akshay Patra is which is given by the sun god, and they just get food. But after Draupadi eats and then cleans the pot, then there is no more food coming. So he knows that, and he purposefully says, "You go there, but you go after Draupadi eats the food." So Durvasa Muni will go after Draupadi finished eating food. And then what happened? All the Pandavas are seeing Durvasa Muni coming. Then they get so worried. Now, what should I do? Durvasa Muni gets very angry fast. What should we do? Then Durvasa Muni will say, I'll go to this is the Bhimal Kund. So I'll go to this Kund. I'll take bath and come. So then I can take your service. So meanwhile, Draupadi will be sitting and crying. Then Krishna comes and Krishna says that, do you have anything to eat? Then Draupadi starts crying. Oh, I don't have anything. I cleaned the pot and kept. But Krishna says, it's okay, just bring the pot. Maybe I'll see if there is little bit remaining. Then as Krishna observes, there's one small spinach leaf. Very tiny, tiny spinach leaf. And as we all know, Krishna gets very satisfied with the love. Even if one small leaf also gets satisfied. So he eats that leaf and he gets satisfied. As soon as he gets satisfied, Durvasa Muni feels so heavy. Then Bhima goes to this Kund to call Durvasa Muni. And from far, Durvasa Muni will see. He'll see, oh, now Bhima is coming. Now what will I tell? I'm feeling like so full. Oh, like that he'll be saying. And then when Bhima goes, they all run. By the time Bhima reaches, they all will run from that place. That's how the Pandavas are saved. So after hearing this, what happens? Duryodhan will feel very angry that his plan was not successful. So what will happen? He will come. He wanted to come and fight with these Pandavas, and he knows that Pandavas are in forest. They don't have enough army. They don't have enough weapons. But knowing this, then Indra, whose son is who is the son of Indra amongst Pandavas?
Arjuna.
Yes, Arjuna, correct. So Arjuna, now Indra gets very, very protective about Arjuna. So what will he do? They will send Chitragupta to fight. So Chitragupta is fighting with Duryodhan. He will stop before even he reaches Pandavas. He will stop. Then Duryodhan was losing, but Yudhishthir Maharaj will observe this from far. Yudhishthir Maharaj will observe, and then he will say, "Oh, come on, now let's go and fight." And Chitragupta will say, "What? He is your enemy. He came to fight with you, and you are fighting with me?" Then Yudhishthir Maharaj will say, "It doesn't matter. When somebody else comes, we are not 105, but we are 105 together." So that is the greatest compassion of Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir is such a nice, matured. That's why he is the best king in this of Bharatavarsha. Yeah, he's a Mahajan also, correct. Yudhishthir Maharaj. Then we have Yashoda Kund. Yashoda Maya was not able to be in separation with Krishna. So he used to come here to graze cows. So sometimes she used to come to this kund so that she can see Krishna. And Krishna used to run seeing her, Maya, 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 and she used to pamper. And then you know Setu Bandha, right? Where you know this pastime you all have seen in Little Krishna, right? What did Krishna do here? Let us see who wants to answer. Mataji, let me pick. We will give a chance to somebody who didn't get a chance.
Mataji,
Huh?
can I say?
Who is that?
Kushi.
Yes, Kushi.
He's building a bridge
Yeah, why was he building a bridge?
because Radha didn't believe he was Ram in his past life.
Yeah. So actually, yes, around it was very difficult for the gopis to, you know, cross, like they had to walk around the lake and go. So she will be saying, teasing Krishna, saying that you say you're Rama, can you build bridge? So we all know that pastime. So that is also there in Kamyavan. And while going, you know, Radharani teases, right? She'll say, we will not believe that you are Rama, but you must be head of these monkeys. That's why they listen to whatever you say. And then little bit far, if you go, there is Surabhi Kund, where Krishna's cows used to bring all the cows to drink water. And sometimes Krishna used to imitate. You know how he used to imitate? Seeing the cows drinking the sweet water, he also would keep his hands back without using his hands. He used to try to drink the water from this kund. And then, who is this demon?
Vyomasura.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll ask you, wait, let me ask somebody raising a hand. Haridas is not there. Haridas is not there. Arjun, who is Arjun? I am unmuting you.
What was the question again?
What is the demon we are seeing on the screen?
Vyomasura.
What did Vyomasur do?
He hid all the boys in the cave.
He hid all the boys in the cave. What game were Krishna and the boys playing?
Sheep and shepherd.
Yes, correct. So what happened? Where do you think the boys were playing? Now we are seeing Kamyavan, but where do you think the boys were playing? You think they were playing in Kamyavan?
No.
Where?
Vrindavan, maybe?
Yeah, the boys were playing in Govardhan. When they were playing in Govardhan, all this has happened. And as we all know that Krishna has been, then Krishna understands that the strength is coming down. You know, from Govardhan, Vyomasura brought them to this hill in Kamyavan. So he's traveling from Govardhan to Kamyavan, like that. Then what happened? So this is the cave, and this is the hill, this is the cave. Then when Krishna came, there was a very big fight, right? So on this hill, if you go, you can see the footprints of Krishna. And while he was fighting with the demon, his crown fell down, his jewelry fell down. So you can see the impressions. Actually, devotees keep looking for them. You can see his garland's impression, his crown's impression, and even Balaramji's foot impression. Why there is Balaramji's foot impression? Because when this fight was happening, the whole earth started shaking. The whole earth started shaking, and Balaramji tried to stabilize the earth. With his right foot, he stepped on the earth, and earth started stabilizing. It not shaking, it stopped, stabilized. And actually, before killing Vyomasura in the morning, he killed Keshi demon, and this was in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, Vyomasura he killed. This was the last demon that he killed before going to Mathura and killing Kamsa. So this was the last. And this is the cave. It's not so big. And then you will see a Bhojanasthali. What is Bhojanasthali? Bhojanasthali is that after killing Vyomasura, Krishna went and took bath near one kund. It's called, we find a small kund called Kshirasagara Kund. He takes bath there, and then he will go and have his lunch with all the gopas here. This is called Bhojanasthali. Thali. You know, in restaurants in India, you go, they say thali means plate. So these are the impressions of the lunch bowls that the gopas and Krishna, Balaram sitting beside and eating. So this is that place. So this is all about Kamyavan, and we'll have some questions now. I have sent the craft PPTs in the group. Yesterday we were talking, I showed you Tulsi Maharani, right? Oh, so I sent you there. You please see that, and you can make. It's very, very easy. Somebody is raising questions. Have any questions? Mataji, you can unmute all. Maybe they have some questions.
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes. Ask. If I know, I'll tell, or else I'll check and tell. Yes.
In Bimal Kund, why did Krishna let his dear friend Arjun get paint?
What was that?
In Bimal, in the pastime, I forgot the Kund's name, but where Arjun and Nagul, Sadev, and all the Pandavas went to get water. If his dear friend Arjuna was getting attacked, why did Krishna just stay still over there?
No, but Krishna knows, right? In just couple of minutes, they all came back to life. He wants to bring out the discussions of Yudhishthir. See, that was such an amazing question what Yudhishthir Maharaj gave, right? It was such an amazing answer. He said the whole world, we see people are dying and we don't realize that we are going to die one day. So that's amazing questions that we are still discussing after many, many years. If that wouldn't have happened, these wonderful questions will not come out, right? And Krishna didn't let Arjuna die. He knows that he's going to come alive anyways.
Mataji,
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes? Bhishma, are you satisfied with the answer?
Mataji, I have a question.
Okay, what is the question?
My question is how come Chitragupta is like Yudhishthir's enemy? You said something like that.
I didn't say he was Yudhishthir's enemy because Indra's son was Arjun. Indra was getting very worried that, oh, Duryodhana is going to attack the Pandavas. So they sent a chief. I don't know if this Chitragupta is Yamaraja's Chitragupta or if he's somebody with other names. So he comes.
Chitragupta is always Yamaraj's Chitragupta.
Oh, is it? Okay. If in that case also he didn't say he was the enemy of Yudhishthir Maharaj. He was sent to save the Pandavas, right? He said the Duryodhana is going to attack all the Pandavas, so you go and help them. So what did he do? He came and he fought with Duryodhana. Before even he entered Kamyavan and started fighting with the 5 Pandavas, he was fighting with Duryodhana. And Yudhishthir saw this, that Duryodhan was suffering, Duryodhan was in pain. Then when he observed, he went to fight with Chitragupta. Then Chitragupta said, I came to save you, then you are fighting with me. But then Yudhishthir said, it doesn't matter, he is my brother, he is my cousin. So if somebody troubles him, I will not be staying quiet. And you know, Duryodhan felt more humiliated. Because by saying that Yudhishthir's greatness have gone much higher, he said, he is my brother, though he is coming to trouble me, I don't mind. I don't want anybody to trouble my brother Duryodhan. That's why I came to fight with you. And Duryodhan felt more ashamed.
Join in.
Okay, so now I will ask you some questions. Because we have only 5 minutes. Okay, Mataji can... maybe we can mute, we can unmute all.
It's already unmuted, Mataji. They can mute themselves now.
Okay. Who did the name giving ceremony of Krishna and Balaram?
Garbhamuni. Garbhamuni.
Garga.
Mataji. In a cow shed.
In the cow shed.
Yes.
Mataji, I'm not in Govinda group, so can you? I'm on my mom's phone. My mom only has Madhava group and Damodar group.
Oh, you're not in Vrindavan Yatra group?
I'm not in Vrindavan Yatra or Govinda.
Okay, in Madhava group you are there, right? I'm going to share all the group links in there. You can click and join. Okay.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Okay, how many years did Krishna stay in Gokul?
3 years. 3 years. 3
years and 4 months.
3 years.
4 months.
3 years.
Okay.
4 months.
4 months. 3 years.
Okay.
3 years.
4 months. 4 months.
Okay, let me pick. See, I will pick you all, okay? I will pick. Mataji, can you mute them all? I will pick one of you. Please raise hand.
Mataji, now unmute yourself, Mataji, and then you can pick them now.
Okay. I'm unmuted. Okay. Who was the first demon who came to kill Krishna? Okay. Vinay, Sai. Putana. Okay. What is the name of the ghat where Krishna showed Mother Yashoda the whole cosmic manifestation in his mouth? What is the name of the ghat? Vinaya Mataji, you can pick somebody who didn't get a chance before. Prahalad.
Brahma ghat.
Not Brahma ghat. What was the name?
Damodar ghat.
Brahmananda ghat. Brahmanda ghat. Sorry, yeah, Brahmanda ghat.
Brahmanda ghat.
Yes. So, who found the deity of Radha? Govinda Dev. Yes.
Rupa Goswami.
Okay, who showed the place of the Govinda Dev deity to Rupa Goswami?
Krishna.
Which deity never moved from Vrindavan even during Aurangzeb attack?
Vrinda Devi.
Vrinda Devi. No, Vrinda Devi. Okay, Vrinda Devi didn't move from Kamyavan. But which deity I'm talking about? All the 7 main temples.
Radha Raman. Radha Raman.
Radha Raman.
Okay, next go. Nanda Bhavan has how many pillars?
84 pillars, but if you count them all, it would end up like 85 or 80.
And what was the other place that we discussed just now?
Chaurasi Khamba.
You know, Chaurasi Khamba, I forgot to mention one point. Every pillar is different. No pillar looks same. Very different design. 84 different designs.
You said that already.
Oh, I said that?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did Shiva become Asheshwar Mahadev?
Because
Because
he wanted to pray to God.
Because he had hope.
he wanted to be with Krishna all the time.
He wanted to see Krishna.
All the time.
He had hope that he would see Krishna. That's why he came.
Okay. He had a hope that he could see Krishna. Correct. So, how would Yashoda Maya trick Krishna and Balaram to make them come back for lunch?
How, Bila?
By saying
They were demons.
What is the case?
they were
There's
Mother Yashoda was dying.
What was that place?
that can
How, Bila?
How Bila? Okay, quick. Where did the king of Prayag come to take bath?
Pavan Sarovar.
Pavan Sarovar.
Vrindadevi has lots of blanket messengers.
Parrots.
Radha Govind, Radha Gopinath and Madan Mohan DT stopped at what place while going to Jaipur?
Kamyavan.
Vrindadevi was found at what kund?
Brimal Kund.
No. Yeah, she was found at Brahma Kund. Remember? Rupa Goswami gets a dream.
Mataji, 2:30, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, I just checked the time. Okay. Please, I'll send you the PPTs in all the group. Please do the craft.
Hari Bol Mataji.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.